Kung iniisip mo na kailangan ng milyon para makapag-start ng passive income, good news, hindi totoo yan. Actually, pwede ka na magsimula kahit 1,000 pesos lang ang puhunan. Yes, you heard that right. Kahit maliit lang ang pera mo ngayon, may paraan para makapag-build ng multiple streams of income. In this video, I'll share 5 passive income ideas na kaya mong gawin kahit beginner ka pa lang. At promise, hindi mo kailangan ng fancy equipment, malalaking kapital, or sobrang galing sa business. So kung ready ka nang malaman kung paano mag-grow ng pera mo kahit konti lang ang puhunan, let's dive in. Okay, first on the list, dividend stocks. Kung hindi mo pa alam, dividend stocks are companies na nagbabayad ng parte ng kita nila sa shareholders. So imagine this, bumili ka ng shares ng isang kumpanya, tapos every quarter or semi-annual, ibig sabihin 2 beses isang taon, may matatanggap kang cash dividends. Parang allowance galing sa investment mo. Ang maganda dito, pwede ka na magsimula for as low as 1,000 pesos lang. Hindi mo kailangan maging milyonaryo para maging investor. The earlier you start, mas malaki ang chance ng compounding effect. Meaning, habang pinapaikot mo ulit yung dividends, mas lalong lumalaki ang future income mo. So kung naghahanap ka ng pinaka-accessible way to start passive income, dividend stocks are a solid first step. Okay, one of the problem kung bakit hindi nag-uumpisa ang mga tao sa pag-invest dahil hindi nila napapractice yung kanilang taking action muscle. Para ma-practice natin yan dito, take action tayo, hit natin yung like button sa video na to. Okay? Next, real estate investment trust or yung tinatawag na REITs. Kung gusto mo magka-share sa isang mall, BPO office, or condo rental business pero wala kang milyon para bumili ng property, real estate trusts or REITs ang sagot. Basically, parang kang part owner ng mga income-generating properties. Kapag kumikita yung building, for example, renta ng tenants, kasama ka sa kumikita. Kasi may hawak kang shares. At ang maganda dito, pwede ka nang magsimula with just 1,000 or 5,000 pesos. Tapos, may quarterly dividends ka na, parang regular cash flow. Think of it as a way to enter real estate investing nang hindi mo kailangan bumili ng lupa o magpatayo ng bahay. Low barrier siya and steady income. So kung gusto mo kaming gumawa ng mas detailed na video about REITs, comment down below REITs or REITs para makita namin na marami yung interested dyan. Okay? Next, digital products. Ito yung paborito ng maraming online entrepreneurs kasi one-time effort, repeat yung income. Example, gumawa ka ng ebook, gumawa ka ng Excel template, planner, or guide. Once mong gawin, pwede mo siyang ibenta paulit-ulit online. Habang tulog ka, may chance pa rin na may bumili. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon Kindle make it super easy to start. At ang puhunan mo dito, most of the time, oras lang at counting creativity. Ang key is gumawa ng product na nakakatulong sa tao tulad ng budget templates, fitness trackers, study guides. Kapag useful, automatic, babalik-balik ang buyers. Comment down below digital products if gusto mong gumawa kami ng mas detailed na video patungkol dyan. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Kung gusto mo ng passive income na walang produkto, walang inventory, at walang shipping, eto na yon. Here's how it works. Promote ka lang ng product gamit yung special affiliate link mo. Kapag may bumili, through your link, boom! May commission ka. Maraming companies ang may affiliate programs ngayon. Halimbawa, Lazada, Shopee, Amazon, and even digital products. Ang maganda pa, free to start. So kung mahilig ka mag-share ng reviews, recommendations, or kahit gumawa ng content online, affiliate marketing can be a solid income stream for you. Number 5, vending machines or self-service kiosk. Kung gusto mo ng something na physical business, pero semi-passive ang kita, this is worth considering. Pwede kang maglagay ng vending machine for snacks, drinks, or kahit e-loading station. Once naka-set up, minimal na lang ang daily effort, konting refill at monitoring lang. Typical puhunan is around 5,000 to 20,000 pesos, depende sa type ng machine. Pero maganda dito, tuloy-tuloy ang income kasi people love convenience. So kung may strategic location ka, halimbawa school, office, o terminal, malaking potential ng steady cash flow. So quick recap, nakita natin na hindi mo kailangan ng milyon para magsimula ng passive income. From dividend stocks, real estate trust, digital product, affiliate marketing, hanggang vending machines, kaya mo magsimula with as little as 1,000 to 5,000 pesos. Ang mindset lang dito, start small, grow gradually. Kasi kahit maliit ang puhunan today, kapag consistent ka at marunong mag-compound, lalaki at lalaki yan over time. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about how consistent you are in growing it. Kung gusto mong matutunan step by step paano mag-ipon, mag-invest at mag-build ng passive income, kahit maliit pa lang ang pera mo ngayon, may ginawa kaming free resource para sa inyo. Ang tawag namin dito, Filipino Wealth Starter Kit. Libre yan. Pwede mo siya ma-access ng libre. Makakakuha ka dyan ng mga exact tools, guides na ginagamit ng maraming Pilipino para mag-build ng financial freedom. And the best part, again, libre siya. All you have to do is go to philmentors.com/free and ma-access mo na siya. Bonus pa niyan, magiging part ka ng online community ng mga Filipino na nagtutulungan para gumanda yung buhay. Matuto mag-invest, mag-ipon, magnegosyo, at of course, makamit yung financial freedom. So, punta ka lang, philmentors.com/free. Ilagay din namin yung link down below.